Good morning everybody, welcome to day 42 of lockdown. You may remember from last night I said I've made no attempt to hide the camera at all, as you'll see shortly. I've set it on a tripod, legs are fully extended and the camera's about 60 centimetres off the ground, hopefully clearing the dew layer. But it's quite a long grass there, so I don't know if it's going to work or not. Right, I've just come out of the shelter of the woodland, walked into the fields, and my feet are already wet. Dew everywhere. Right, just about to walk round the corner to the second field, and it shouldn't be difficult to see the camera. Get a bit closer. Right, I think I can see it, yep. Yep, still there. That's good. I'm just going to lower my voice a bit now. See if there's any dew on the lens. Even at 2 feet off the ground, there's still dew on the lens. It's not quite as bad as the other morning, and all the bait was still there as well, which I'm really surprised about. Well, we'll have to check when we get back, but yeah, not looking good again. So right by the entrance to the sort of approach to the den, bait's still there. What does that tell me? Could it be that we're so close to the arrival of the cubs? Well, obviously the cubs have already been born, if they have got cubs. Maybe they're really starting to stay close to them and look after them. They might literally just be wandering yards from the den. Maybe they're hunting within that bit of land beyond the fence. Maybe they need bigger meals to feed the cubs, so the cocktail sausages are just like a snack. It's just not worth it. Interesting. I'll have to see if we've got any footage and have another think. Right, I'm going to carry on my walk now and see what we can find this morning. This is where we've picked up a scent nearly every morning. But this morning, nothing. Nothing at all. Doesn't even look like they've come out last night. Not picking up anything at all. It's amazing the difference between the dew point house in the field compared to under the canopy of the woodland. It's absolutely dry as a bone around here. And yet, just across the stream, out there, it's really wet underfoot. Certainly around the ankles. So we're fastly approaching lockdown video 50. Not many to go now. And to commemorate that, I'm going to be running a little competition. And there'll be a prize to be won. So the next 3 or 4 videos, you need to be paying attention, and also you need to have watched previous videos to find the answers. So yeah, video 50, it's competition time. I've not checked the footage yet, but I've got a sneaky suspicion that I'm going to have, if any footage, it's going to be blurred because of the dew. There's just too much dew on the ground at the moment. Even at 2 feet off the ground, it just seemed to get on the camera. I thought it might clear it, but it obviously hasn't. So I think I might have to abandon any field filming, because there's not really any trees I can put the camera on out in the field. The only place I can put the camera is on the fence post, on the other side of the fence, pointing down that little track where the fox came out on a previous video about 5:30 in the morning. We got it in colour, we had to guess. And the fact that it doesn't look like it's been out at all, suggesting it could just be wandering around in the confines of the den area. I think I might have to start putting the camera there now, which might mean having a bit of a break from moving the camera from place to place. Pretty much covered every area now, so it's not like I need the footage elsewhere, although it's interesting to watch and it's good for you to watch. We might have to have a little bit of a break. Well, I think we'll just have to see how it goes. I think I'm going to put it on the fence post tonight and see how we get on. Right, just walking down the bridleway. Sun's blasting into my face, so I'm squinting. It's a lovely fresh morning, so just go for a bit longer, and then I'll turn around and head home. Get the kettle on. So I put the prototype to the test yesterday evening, and the concept worked, but I need to just fine tune it before I reveal it to you all. But what can it be? So it wasn't a surprise that we didn't get any fox footage last night, having seen the evidence this morning. We did get a glimpse of the rabbit and one other animal, one that we've never seen before. But can you guess what the animal was? Was it A, a badger, B, a hare, C, a hedgehog, or D, a stoat? Make your choice now. Did you guess? Well, it was a hedgehog. I thought it was a rat at first, but yeah, it turned out to be a hedgehog. So that's a new one. That's another wildlife camera first for me. So the dew on the camera, just after 1:30, the camera triggered, and you could tell the dew was starting to form on the lens. And then shortly after 2 o'clock in the morning, it was completely fogged over, and the camera couldn't pick anything up really. So yeah, we won't be placing the camera in the field for a while, not at that height anyway. So that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed that. If you did, give us a thumbs up. If you've got any comments, then leave them in the comment section below. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, which is just up here, or the one down below, and don't forget to click on that bell icon so you don't miss out on my next video. Okay, thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.